Customizing Embroidery for International Brides. Hi everyone, this is Sweta and you're listening to the final episode of our embroidery series on Finesse Couture Insights. Today's topic is close to my heart, customizing embroidery for international brides. Whether your bride is in New York, Dubai, London or Singapore, personalization in design, fit and embroidery storytelling is what makes each gown truly special. Let's explore how you can tailor embroidery for diverse tastes, climates, and bridal traditions around the world. So first comes understanding cultural aesthetics. Before picking threads or motifs, study your bride's cultural style preferences. Let me describe a few here. Middle Eastern brides prefer bold motifs, metallic embroidery, beaded styles, and dramatic silhouettes. Western brides often go for minimal, refined florals or monochrome hand embroidery in gown overlays. Whereas South Asian brides abroad love a fusion, say Indian embroidery dress styling with a Western silhouette. So your pro tip, ask your client what embroidery styles they grew up seeing or admiring. It helps ground your design choices. Tailoring for climate and comfort. Say a wedding in Bali, a winter wedding in Canada requires different fabric and embroidery planning than a beach. So choose breathable bases like georgette or tulle for warmer regions. Use satins or raw silk for colder locations where heavier embroidered gowns are welcome. For outdoor weddings, avoid glass beads or heavy zardozi that can weigh you down. Pro tip, create detachable sleeves or detachable layered skirts to balance aesthetics and adaptability. Then comes personalization through symbols and motifs. Embroidery allows for deep personalization. Add initials, wedding dates, or custom floral patterns symbolic to the couple. For bridal bodices with hand embroidery sleeves, include country flowers like cherry blossom for Japan or roses for England. Stitch in symbolic charms like birds, stars, butterflies, or spiritual signs hidden in the design. These hidden elements create emotional connections and turn the gown into a keepsake. What's very important is communication and process with overseas client. So working with international brides requires trust and transparency. Use video calls to finalize embroidery placements and motifs. Share 3D mock-ups or stitch swatches via courier before final approval. Record short videos showing the progress of the hand-embroidered designs to keep them emotionally engaged. Always factor in time for international shipping delays and possible last-minute edits. Design flexibility and shipping practicalities. Designing for global brides often means you need flexibility. Offer gowns that fold easily without damaging the embroidery. Use lightweight hand embroidery in gowns so custom duties are minimized by weight. Provide proper aftercare instructions for handling intricate embroideries. A tip, add stitched-in labels in local languages with care icons to help international boutiques or clients maintain their dresses properly. And that wraps our embroidery podcast series. From mastering embroidery placement to customizing gowns for international brides, we've covered the journey of thread and tradition. Thank you for joining me on Finesse Couture Insights. Subscribe if you haven't and explore our early episodes for more design inspiration. Until next time, keep creating, keep celebrating.